Here are the steps to create a multiple answer question type in new quizzes, which mimics the multi-select question for STAAR 2.0. To add a question, I'm going to click the blue plus button, and I'm going to select multiple answer. Within this question, there are three important parts that we make sure to enter information to. The question title. This is optional, but it's great to add a standard or the content that is covered in this question so that you can potentially use it again in the future. The second box is going to be our question stem. This is where we actually add our question that we are asking our students. And we can add any graphics here also by using the image buttons or the audio buttons found within the toolbar. The last is going to be inserting the answer options. With multi-select, this is going to be an answer that can have more than one answer choice. And from our examples that we have seen in the STAAR redesign, within the question itself, it says, or it tells the students how many answers to select. So I'm going to go ahead and add my information for my question example, and then I will explain further with some of the other options. I have now added a question title, my question stem, and then I have added the answer choices that I would like my students to see. Again, with our STAAR redesign that we have seen, within the question stem, students are notified of how many answers to select. Down below, I make sure to select the checkboxes next to the correct answers, and you can always add or take away answers if you need to. To add an answer, you will click the plus answer button, and it will give you another line to add another answer to. And if you don't need one of the lines, you just click the trash can to the right of it. Now on this answer choice, you have some options down below. Again, we can add an on-screen calculator if we need it to. We can also shuffle the answer choices. Lastly, you do have an option for partial grading within this question type. So you can do it where they will get points if they select one of the correct answers, or you can say it has to be an exact match. This is up to you as a teacher, and you can set your preferences. With STAAR 2.0, they do have a partial credit option when it comes to multi-select questions from the documents that we have been given by Lead Forward and TEA. Let's look at how this question views from the student side. I'm going to scroll up on my new quiz and click Preview. And then for this question, it will load, and then they will have the boxes next to their answers, and they will select the two answers that are correct. On here, when we cannot limit how many they do select, so just know, even though it says 2 in the correct answer, students could select more, but it will mark them wrong or incorrect, and as a teacher, you can view what they have submitted. When a student is done, they can click Submit, and then their question is auto-graded for you as the teacher.